and welcome to another episode of inkitdesigns. Let's discuss some design overview for social media posts. But first, what is social media post? It is a short-form type of content or message that gets published on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The main purpose of social media is to connect people and facilitate communication globally. Let's have a quick overview on two social media posts. Which of the two attracts you the most? This one or this one? This one or this one? For me, these two completely fits on the guideline of social media posts. And here is why. Let's first understand the hooks of creating the social media posts. Number 1. Start with size. Consider the platform where you want to upload. Each platform has specific image dimensions. Be specific and clear with your message that you want to convey. Be creative and consistent. Creativity grabs attention, but consistency builds brand recognition. Use a consistent color palette, font, and visual style across all your posts. Then comes the balance. Maintain a balance between the text and visuals. Too much text can overwhelm, while too little may not convey your message effectively. Now let's do some design analysis of one of the social media posts. First, let us talk about color. The use of the vibrant color in this social media post evoke energy and positivity. Now let's talk about typography. The large white text written in bold capital letters convey a very clear and defined message. Now let's talk about the visual elements. The use of stylized map and location pins suggests that this post is about connectivity and movements. One-liners are very important as it conveys a clear and direct meaning that what the social media post is all about. The same goes with the visual elements. Lastly, let's talk about the overall impression. The design aims to grab the attention, to convey energy, and to highlight the brand course offering. That's it from design overview of social media post. If you like today's video, don't forget to like, comment, share, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will come up with more exciting videos. Till then, stay connected.